GM guys, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be putting you through how to participate in Union Public Testnet. Union is a project that aims to connect several blockchains in a secure, decentralized, fast and cost-efficient manner. Right, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can test this network. But before we dive right into this tutorial, if you found our content helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat, built on the Binance Smart Chain network. You can get the contract address of WikiCat right in the description. Okay guys, so let's dive right into this tutorial. Okay, so open Mrs. Browser. So next is to open the link to Union app, paste, search. Okay guys, so once you're here, first thing to do is to connect your wallets, right? You're going to be connecting more than one wallet. You'll be connecting one EVM wallet and one Cosmos wallet. So select this wallet icon, right? For EVM, we'll be using Metamask, so select Metamask. Next, confirm. Alright, so our Metamask is connected. Next, we're going to connect a Cosmos wallet, so we'll be using Kepler. Select Kepler. So if you do not have Kepler wallet extension in your Mrs. Browser, right, we actually had a tutorial where we learned how to add a Metamask extension to Mrs. Browser. So you can follow the same procedure to add Kepler wallet to your Mrs. Browser. Select approve. Alright, so both wallets are now connected. Cancel. Next, we're going to get some test tokens from their faucet. So select faucet, select submit. So our UNO token have been sent, as it says token sent. So next is we're going to transfer our UNO token from Union Testnet to Ethereum Testnet. So select transfer. Select the chain, Union Testnet, and to Sepolia Ethereum. So guys, it says failed to load sendable balances for Union Testnet. I don't know why it's actually showing this error. Let's go to our Kepler wallet to check if our tokens are in our Kepler wallet. Okay, you can see we have UNO token in our Kepler wallet. But yet, we're still having this issue, right? So let's refresh our page. Okay, we're still having the same issue, guys. Select home, select transfers. You can see these are transfers that other people have made, I believe. So if it's actually not working for us, it could be bug. So you can try to refresh your page and see if it would work. If after trying yet you're still having the same issue, you can try some other time. Keep trying until you're able to transfer. So once this error is resolved, you should see your asset balance, your UNO token balance here. Then you input the amount you want to transfer to Sepolia network, and over here you should be able to confirm and complete your transaction. So apart from transferring your tokens from Union Testnet over to Sepolia Testnet, you can also transfer your Sepolia token over to Union Testnet, and that's why you had to connect two wallets, one EVM and one Cosmos. So if you're transferring from Union Testnet, your Union Testnet is on your Cosmos wallet, and then if you're transferring to Sepolia Testnet, which is on your EVM wallet, right, your tokens will actually be transferred to your EVM wallet. You can see this is your EVM wallet address, right? Also, in the same vein, if you're transferring Sepolia to Union Testnet, right, your tokens will be transferred from your EVM wallet, because Sepolia Testnet is in your EVM wallet, and then it will be transferred to your Cosmos wallet, because Union Testnet is in your Cosmos wallet. Alright guys, so that'll be all for now. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial video. If you have questions to ask concerning the tutorial, you can drop your questions in the comment section and they will be attended to. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your post notification bell to be notified whenever we post a video.